Here to present to you a small role play on our product, Crap Diapers. We would just like to give you the evolution of advertisements of Crap Diaper through the ages, and we will start off with a really exciting advertisement from the ATUs. Good evening, everyone gathered here. I'm your host, Sanchari Babu. As you can see, I'm here to tell you what is a crap diaper. A crap diaper stands for completely reliable automatic padded diaper. It's to release the burden on all these mothers that we have in our world today, in our country, and to make them free-thinking women and to support them as they want to get out of the house and to stop them doing what they're doing right now. We have crap diapers, जिस पे देश करे भरोसा. As you can see over here, we have the circuit diagram for the crap diaper. I'm going to make this presentation so much more exciting by telling you all the exact technical qualification of the crap diaper. So it works on the brainchild of it works on the brilliance of two microprocessors here. You have the 8085 and the 8086. The 8086 is the actual brainchild behind this crap diaper, and what's actually happening is that this 8086 microprocessor is in charge of these capacitors and results by crap diaper. Scene 2, 90s and telegrams.
सनसनी में आप सबका स्वागत है। हम आपको दिखाने जाने वाले हैं ऐसी कहानी जो आपको अंदर से हिला के रख देगी। हम दिखाते हैं इस बच्चे की कहानी। देखिए इस बच्चे को, देखिए इस बच्चे को, इस बच्चे की कहानी। देखिए इसकी माँ को, देखिए इसकी माँ को जो यूं ही खड़ी है। हम सुनेंगे इस बच्चे के दर्द की कहानी, इस माँ की जवानी।
Oh my God, my kid has ruined my life. He keeps on crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. I change his diapers 4 times a day. Still he is crying. Stupid fellow. Get out of my sight. I don't want to see you. Get out.
तो हम दिखाते हैं एक और बच्चे की कहानी जो बच्चा यूज करता है। कौन सा डायपर था? क्रैप डायपर्स। देखिए इस बच्चे को, इस बच्चे की माँ को।
मेरी जिंदगी ही बदल दी है क्रैप डायपर्स ने। पहले मैं बहुत परेशान रहती थी। जब से क्रैप डायपर्स मेरी जिंदगी में आया है, मेरे बच्चा हंसता ही रहता है।
देखिए ये वही बच्चा है, ये वही बच्चा है जो पहले रो रहा था।
बस
अबे बच्चा डर जाएगा।
पहले ये प्रोडक्ट 7,500 में उपलब्ध था। देखिए ये प्रोडक्ट अब सिर्फ 2,000 में।
क्यों?
सिर्फ 2,000 में।
बच्चा रो रहा है इसीलिए।
सिर्फ 2,000 या आपका बच्चा, क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है?
2,000।
फैसला आपका बच्चा आपका।
Scene 3 at a recent awards function.
Good evening all. Welcome to the post-match presentation. Today, it's a good evening in Gwalior with Sachin hitting 200 runs of 140 balls and India thrashing South Africa by 87 wickets. In the presentation ceremony, we have Mr. Ranjan Madgale, Mr. Saurav Ganguly and Mr. Hansi Crony. Now, I would like to call upon the man of the match, Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin, what's the secret of your energy?
Boost.
I would like to say boost is the secret of my energy, but I think moved on. Now I think the secret is absolutely crap diapers. I'll tell you why. I think for 24 years my life has been between those 22 yards. But my kids were born. I couldn't give them enough time. But when I bought crap diapers, it was just automatic, and everything could be done so easily. So I could concentrate more on cricket, and I think that's the reason I've hit 200 today.
Now, I would like to call upon Mr. MS Dhoni, captain of Indian cricket team. Mr. MS Dhoni, four wins on a trot. What's your expression?
I think the credit goes just to Crab Diapers. We've been seeing a couple of products over the last few years, but I think Crab Diapers is the best substitute for all diapers. But the most important thing being the boys are contributing well. And, the boys, in the sense, the boys are contributing well. It's, yeah, of course, a terrific thing. Everyone is able to concentrate more on cricket, so I think Crab Diapers is the ultimate solution.
Yeah, Ms. Dhoni, all the best in the
Thank you.
future.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I would just like to continue this talk by telling you the advantages that Crab Diapers has over other premium diapers in the market. So you can see this is a graph of the number of divorces versus the quality of the diaper that we use. Pampers, Huggies, and Nanny Poco Pants goes all the way high up the graph. You can't even see what is there. Whereas Crab Diapers, there has only been one known divorce because of Crab Diapers, and that was because the person didn't buy Crab Diapers. So that's for all of you out there. Now, for all of you mothers who hasn't yet switched to Crab Diapers, we have a surprise waiting for you at home.
Oh, Shahrukh! Hey, how are you, man? I'm good. अरे आपके घर में अरे मैं शाहरुख ही हूँ। आपके घर में कौन सा डायपर चल रहा है? हम सब पीप डायपर यूज कर रहे हैं। कौन सा डायपर? पीप डायपर। Pee diaper. Arey yaar, I think I should tell you this, that please go for Crab Diapers, क्योंकि क्या पता कल हो ना हो.